I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a 2018 Ford Expedition key fob. It's pretty simple. What you're going to do is you're going to push this little button, release the key, and then pop this little section up right here. You just need to be careful because in here there's a clip. You don't want to snap that clip by putting some torque on it. So if you can take the key and shove it right down the center until it stops, and then just pop it out. So you don't want to put a lot of pressure on this because you can see it's just a piece of plastic and it will snap. So if you can get the key closer to it when you pry it out, it'll prevent that from breaking. The rest is pretty simple. You just take a screwdriver, stick it in the slot here, and that battery will pop right out. This battery is a CR2450. Grab your new battery, slide it right back in place, and then put this together the same way you took it apart. Just slide that first clip in first, and then pop it right in. That's all there is to it.